Welcome everyone. In this video we will demonstrate how to properly use dual cartridge systems. Before we begin, make sure to have the three main pieces needed for proper use: the dual cartridge, the static mixer, and the proper applicator gun. Step 1. Insert the cartridge into the gun. This may vary on the type of applicator. Make sure to read instructions if different than this video. Step 2. Remove the end cap and attach the static mixer by aligning it with the nozzle opening and pushing in. Turn clockwise until stop to lock mixer in place. Step 3. Ensure complete mix of adhesive components by purging a mixer's length of adhesive. Color stabilization will be noted when enough adhesive has been dispensed. Once properly purged to ensure a good mix, the adhesive is ready to be applied in the best manner for your application. A variety of mixers are available, including ones with luer lock tips for attaching needles or spreaders. If there is adhesive left in the cartridge, simply pull back the pistons and remove the cartridge from the applicator gun. Then, twist off the static mixer to remove and reapply the cap to save the cartridge for future use. For more information, contact us at info@epoxyset.com or call at 401-726-4500.